Two for one back side arm. 200.
No, one is enough.
200 ma'am, only normal rate on.
One enough. Okay. I am ready. Good morning internet. It is 8:05 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. Welcome here in a very wet Jodhpur. I woke up this morning at 6 o'clock and it was windy and there was thunder and lightning and it came down. Very similar to Amritsar, happened the same thing. So let's see, I think it will clear up now. I'm just gonna get the bike from the safe parking and then load her up and pay. I still have to pay the place that I stayed, but the electricity went out as well this morning, so now the machine is not working. Anyway, I have plenty of time because today I am riding, I think it's 260 kilometers, so it's not so far, and I'm gonna make 2 stops on the way, which should be good. Let's see how the bike's doing. Thank you. Here she is. Now let's see if I can find my way out of here again. It's very colorful here, right? Got purple buildings, orange, and then all the blues. Through the Sadar Market Girdikot gate. Oh, here's the clock tower. I actually didn't even see that one yet. Quite an important landmark actually in Jodhpur. So, good thing I see it now. See, the sky is still very dark. Oof. I hope it's not gonna storm anymore. Here is my first stop somewhere. Let me see. So I'm going to have a look at this temple. It's called the Om Bana Temple, or also known as the Bullet Baba Temple, I believe. And it has a very interesting story. Let's check it out. I think it's there. Or not.
Temple.
Yes. This is parking.
Ma'am, this Indian color 100 only. This bike decoration, this car, motorbike, Indian decorations. 100 only. This color, very famous temple.
I know. That's why I came here.
Your country, ma'am?
Netherlands.
Yeah?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. No parking launch. Parking launch.
Okay.
₹100 only. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Go on then.
This long.
Make sure it cannot hit the wheel, no?
No.
Okay.
No. 2 for one back side arm. 200.
No, one is enough.
200 ma'am, only normal rate on.
One enough.
Your house? House? This mean no, your country.
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah. Okay, let's check out the temple. So the story about the temple is the following. In 1988 there was a man and he was traveling here, and then unfortunately he lost control over his motorcycle, a bullet, and hit a tree and died on the spot. And so, where do I go? I have to go to the other way. So the police took his motorcycle to the police station for investigation, I suppose. And then the next day the motorcycle was gone from the police station and it was back at the place where its owner died. So the police took it again, and this time they removed the petrol from the tank, they locked it, put it behind a gate, and then the next day the motorcycle again was gone and it was back at the place where Mr. Ombana died. Now this happened a few more times until I think everybody realized that that had to be the place where the bike had to be. Oh, I'm gonna go. And this actually became a place of worship. So I think that place where the fire was, maybe that's actually the grave, I'm not sure. There was a picture of a man, I think that must have been him. And then of course the bike, the bullet was there, Royal Enfield. Interesting place, hey? Random camel on the road. Oh, it belongs with this man, I think. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. Oh, tons of monkeys. Look at them. Hello. They're big, eh? Hi. You know, the wandering cows are one thing, but I am not getting used to seeing wandering buffalo. Hi. I mean, they're beautiful. They're so big. Oh, this is cool. Wow. There it is. Amazing. Look at the wall there. Now this fort was built around 1450. Can you imagine? And it is, well, I just had a look at the map they had down there. It is enormous. I think you can walk around here for hours. But I thought I'm going to try to get to that top there, see what view we have. Should have tried to hitch a ride to the top on one of these guys. it's a little hot to be climbing hills up to palaces. So the outer wall, it's 36 kilometers long, and that actually makes it the longest continuous wall in the world, of course, after the Great Wall of China. But behind the wall, there are over 300 ancient temples. And I'm guessing I am standing right next to one. This is clearly a temple. So this is called Kumba Palace.
Nice view.
Nice view, yes. But here also tiger?
Yeah.
Tiger?
Tiger?
Yeah.
No, leopard.
No. Huh?
Leopard.
Leopard?
Yes.
No tiger?
No tiger.
Ah, okay.
Deer, leopard, hyena.
Hyena?
Deer, leopard,
Bear, leopard, hyena? But no tiger?
No.
Okay. I found them again. Right there. They are used for construction. See, they're rebuilding something here. Okay. I go around here. Ah, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Right. That was cool. A little bit hot. I was planning to walk us a while over the wall, but I think I looked like an absolute tomato, and that's also how I felt. So I was like, it's time to get going, time to get moving, and make my way to Udaipur. Yeah, I was asking about tigers because I thought I saw some signs that there's a tiger reserve around here, but maybe it's a bit further. Not sure. See, you get all these cars here that look like safari vehicles. I am in Udaipur. As you can tell by the traffic. Very clean streets though. Still quite lush here, right? It's like palm trees. Got a big difference from Jodhpur and Jaisalmer. Those really felt more like desert towns. Namaste. Is it okay here? A bit more here? Ah, okay. Yeah, no problem. So let me show you where I ended up today. I left from Jodhpur this morning, it's just over here. And now I am here in Udaipur. And so I don't know, I went something like this. So Udaipur is also called the City of Lakes, or the Venice of the East, I believe. So that means a visit to Udaipur is not complete unless you go for a little boat ride on the lake. Opa.
सजना तेरे बिना जिया लागे सजना तेरे बिना जिया लागे जिया
So the boat has stopped on a little island on the lake. This is called Yak Mandir. So I'm back on mainland, but before I end this video, I am gonna go to one more place.
Ini